Welcome back. Today we're going to replace a broken turn signal lens in a 1999 Toyota Solara. You can see the light right here is missing the lens. Here are the pieces I found laying on the ground a little bit ago. It was a fairly easy process. We're going to remove this lens, put the new one in. First, take the safety precautions, wear safety glasses. So we're going to start with, we're going to remove this screw right here. That's going to come out first. And once it's loose, and be careful because you don't want to lose it. Okay, once that is out, set that aside. And then we're going to pull on this lens, and it comes right out. There's two retaining clips. Well, not a retaining clip, but a notch here. And another one right here. It's going to fit into here. And there's a right in there. And go up against that. Okay. So once you have the lens out, we're going to remove the wiring harness here. So we'll push this tab in. And then carefully slide that off. Put that aside. Now the bulb is still good. This is still good, so I'm going to keep that. And just hold on to it as an extra. Here's the new lens here. See an exact match. This is an aftermarket part. It's not directly from Toyota. And it even comes with a new bulb assembly. There. Okay, so installation is going to be diversive removal. I'm going to line up these tabs, this one, and that one there. Before we do that, I always spray my electrical connectors with electronic cleaner. Let that dry for a few seconds. Okay, looks good. So you're going to line up this tab here with the front part of this connector. And you heard a little click, you know it's in. You just want to make sure it's tight. Okay. Now I'm going to slide in. Right in there. Beautiful. Then you're going to take your screw. In there. It's going to be two hands, so I want to make sure that's going to be lined up. Okay, perfect. This is placed. Around, make sure it works. Alright, perfect. We're flashing, so we're good. Again, this repair is fairly easy. You need a Phillips screwdriver, and just make sure you order the right lens, and you should be good to go. Okay, as always, thank you for watching. Make sure you like the video, and make sure you subscribe. Okay, have a good day.